So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily embed your Google Drive videos inside Google Sites. So as you can see, I've opened a Google site over here, which is a sample file. So you can basically open any of the file using templates, or you can create a new blank file. And once inside here, you can basically include your embed your drive videos. So to do that, you can see there is an option called drive. So make sure you are connected to your Google Drive account successfully. So as you can see inside my Google Drive, there's a video. So what I'll be doing is simply inserting that particular video from over here to this Google site. So as you can see, it is the same video. When I click on the video, there will appear an insert button. So I'll simply tap on this, and just like that, my video will be inserted into this folder or into this file that is my Google site. So when I click on this publish, I can also actually adjust it just like this wherever I want. So let me just quickly adjust it. And when I click on this publish, and once you have valid web address, you can simply click on publish to publish your web address and make your website live for your Google site. And you can simply click on this view, and whenever someone you share this link with views your site, they can easily view the video from over here as well, just like this, by simply playing the video. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.